We'll read it to you. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Wilson, Clay, DeKalb, Jackson, and Macon counties across Middle Tennessee until 9:15. At 8:32, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorm warnings capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These severe thunderstorm warnings extend from Lafayette to 6 miles west of Watertown and we're moving east at 65 miles an hour. The locations to be included are Carthage, Red Boiling Springs, Gordonsville, Pleasant Shade, Hickman, Southern Carthage, Liberty, Downtown, Alexandria, Granville, Center Hill Lake, and Edgar Evans State Park. Again, severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Wilson, Clay, DeKalb, Jackson, and Macon counties until 9:15 p.m. Current time is 8:43 p.m. and we're looking forward to 8:45. 8:45 should expire 2 warnings, one tornado warning and one for